Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, in my last video, we mentioned when the price was within this one, we mentioned still we can expect this one be a correction similar to what we have here. As you can see, the price move really corrective, and now we want to see whether we can get one more drop or not. Because we mentioned if we get this 1 2 3, we can expect to get one more drop similar to what we have here, which is sharp. Because we mentioned if the price drop and tag at least 0.0535 or trend line, any reversal, it can give us better trade setup. Because if we move to higher time frame, this is what we have been looking for. If I extend this one, we mentioned if this one tend to a correction to drop one more, then we can put this one in relative to this as a running flat for next move. Because even we can see we have internal correction. This is what we were expecting, but based on lower time frame, we will see how this exact correction look like. Okay, anyway, based on a forward chart, still if we can get one more drop, the reversal can give us better trade setup. But we want the price to at least drop to the trend line, then from there we see whether we can look for a reversal or the price can break the trend line and continue. If there is a breakout, this is where we're looking for. Okay, if you see a breakout, then we point on all these things. But right now we're looking to for price to drop some more before we get the reversal. And as we can see based on 1 hour chart, we mentioned still we can expect for one more drop. This is what we're looking for. But if the price start is still, there is a possibility this time this one start, I mean, it still can continue up move, but as a corrective. When it's moving as a corrective, we cannot have any entry above. I mean, we cannot look for any trade setup. The only way is to have entry above the stop, which is we can if will be around 0.059. If we want to have entry above the top, where we can get is 0.059. And what we want the price, if the price sharply move from here. And what we want the price tag and continue. If tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we are not going to take the trade, keep the trade. And mostly we will be interested for one more drop. And if the price give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, then we won't have any entry above the top. And if we move to 15 minute, this is what we have based on 15 minute. And we have nothing. We want to see whether this one can give us one more drop, or still we can expect this one to move a bit higher before we get the drop. If we get with the breakout of this low, this is where we can look for reversal. Because right now whatever we have is just very corrective move. Okay, and the price haven't broke this low yet and haven't come to this um, range which we're looking for. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.